Stephanie Essen here at GDC. I'm up here with Carlos Dominguez from Intel, who's telling us all about what's new in the Intel Graphics Performance Analyzer. So Carlos, take it away.
So we're very excited to show a couple new features that we've added to GPA. One of them is the graphics trace analyzer that we just redesigned from the ground up. And we're also showcasing our new multi-frame capture playback mechanism that supports now Vulkan and DirectX 11.
Awesome. Tell us more about that mechanism.
So it's really exciting for us because we managed to create a mechanism that can capture things that would be very inherently hard to do in a single frame capture mode. So for example, since we can capture frames across the lifetime of application, you can spot intermittent glitches, or you can debug algorithms that span across different frames, for example. So it's very powerful.
Yeah, sounds really helpful. So what about the trace analyzer tool?
So that one, as I mentioned, we developed it again from the ground up, so it has a new improved collection mechanism with way lower overhead as it used to, and it has an improved user experience too, so you can collect much more data, and you will never miss your anomalies, because we can actually now capture data in a way that even if you capture after you spotted something wrong, it will still be in the capture data.
So where can developers go to learn more?
So they can go to the Intel Developer Zone, and they can download it for free. We support all the major OSs and the graphics APIs. We also don't require any instrumentation or any special builds. It just works out of the box.
Very cool. All right. Well, thank you again for meeting us today, Carlos. And remember, you can download GPA for free in the links. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.
Hey, make sure to smash that like button. And if you haven't seen our other videos, make sure to subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. Also, check out our other shows, leave comments, and engage with other enthusiasts.